I'm Ketsan, and this is the autonomous procurement agent. This is a policy-bound AI agent that can autonomously discover, evaluate, and pay for services under encrypted constraints with an on-chain settlement and verifiable receipts. So today I'll demonstrate its full workflow. That's how it discovers, decides, it authorizes, and settles with the receipts. So for example, here I'll request something like I need blockchain analytics API for 30 days. And the bound constraint, the maximum authorized budget for the agent is 500 USDC, contract duration 30 days. And the quality threshold, I put it at 7.0, and I can increase this or reduce it, whichever I want. And uptime service level threshold, I put at 99%. So you notice that the budget and evaluation weights are encrypted using byte, and the agent enforces these deterministic constraints outside the AI model. So the AI only provides advisory scoring, not execution authority. So now I'll submit the procurement request, and the agent will start discovering. The agent will select whatever is appropriate. Yeah, so that's the run is running. And at this point, it's actually calling the smart contract that I've deployed on scale testnet. So you can see now at this stage, we are at vendor discovery over here. And then Gemini I will come through with evaluation, and then we'll get vendor selection. And let's see what it's got. So it has selected block insight API, and market evaluation, it's a strong performer, 99% as per the constraint. Okay, these have constraint violations, so they're not selected. So at this point, the agentic intelligence can see this. This is the decision commitment hash. It's on chain. Yeah. So the only challenge I had was with gas on scale testnet. You can see I didn't have enough gas, but otherwise the transaction could be submitted, because if we go to the Explorer, you can see here we have some contract calls from the deploy wallet which I've set. I think let me just reload the page like 48 seconds ago. So these are the contract calls that were made by the agent. These three of them, these are the three contracts that are running the system. So in a nutshell, the settlement actually occurs in via AP2, and this follows a very clean life cycle, like the intent, the authorization, and settlement with the receipt. Yeah. So most importantly, there is budget evaluation, and weights are encrypted until execution. And sensitive procurement strategies are not exposed publicly, and execution only occurs when encrypted policy constraints are certified. These just demonstrates conditional encrypted transaction using byte v2. Yeah, so that's the autonomous procurement agent, and this really introduces a reusable pattern for trust, minimized, policy-bound AI commerce. And this is not just AI selecting vendors. This is an enforceable autonomous procurement with cryptographic accountability. Yeah. So so that is it. So that's how it works, and I can show failure briefly. If I add more gas, I'm looking probably to deploy a custom token which can be complete the purchase, which is completely autonomous. So that's the autonomous procurement agent. And thank you. I'm Ketsan, and I look forward for further collaboration on this. Thank you so much.